Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Universal Audio Interface, the Apollo Twin X, along with my new Neumann TLM 103 mic. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned. And I'm going to do a mic check as well.
Yes, Yanni, she doing it. Yanni.
Look what you've done. Look what you've done.
So like I said in previous videos unboxing my recording studio, it wouldn't be a real upgrade unless you upgrading your interface, baby, where all the sound and the magic happens. So I've always heard really good things about this interface. It is a definite upgrade coming from the, almost forgot the name that fast, the Focusrite, the Scarlett Focusrite. Now, I was trying to figure out, I almost got the new one of the Focusrite because this one is like double the price of that. And I was like, I need to save money, but I feel like when you're upgrading your studio, the thing that you don't want to cut corners in is investing in your mic and or your interface. So I went ahead and spent that little extra bread, bars to get this one. I just got this version. I was gonna do the one above this and get like the 4 inputs, but I really don't need that. So this is me unboxing everything. I'm excited to try this out. It's just gonna take my sound to the next level. I do plan on doing a lot of recording and beat making, so I feel like this is going to be good. I have been using this since I've done this unboxing, and I can say that the quality is great. It was a little complicated for me with my experience with audio interfaces because it's like a standalone. It's like zero latency. It has its own little program that you're recording into. So I had to set that up. It took me a little bit, but once I got it going, it's flowing. It has great sound. I'm doing this voiceover with it as well. Not with the Neumann mic though. I'm doing the voiceover on my old blue mic. That little blue mic. I might put it in here. I might not. Oh well. I feel like it's still good for voiceover. So this is all that comes in the box. The cord that goes with it is not included, so you do have to get that separately. I got mine from Guitar Center, and they didn't have a lot of variety of the cord, so I had to buy another one that was a little bit longer on Amazon, so keep that in mind. Because it was a little too short, like it wasn't no wiggle room between the interface and my Mac Studio. So I'm just still taking everything out, all right? And y'all, excuse my ashy hands, a girl is doing her thug thizzle, putting all this equipment together, you know what I'm saying? So my hands is a little rough. So if you peep that, don't judge your girl. Damn, I'm putting this equipment together and all this stuff by myself. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, this audio interface, one of my favorite engineers who I've worked with in my city used to swear by this interface when I used to go to their studio, and they had a lot of clientele, and this was on their bucket list of an interface to get. So I had the extra money, and I was like, I'm going to get it while I can before I change my mind. So I'm very happy with the decision that I made to get this. Like I said, it was a little tricky at first hooking it up, getting all the inputs and outputs together, especially with my new Mac Studio and the Apple Studio display. But I got it going, and I can't wait to test it out, which I will be showing you guys in this video, a quick little mic check, but I gotta open the mic and get that all set up, which is coming up next. So stay tuned for that. So I'm just showing you guys all that what came in the box. We have the power cord right there I just put to the side. Let's see, it was a little hard getting it out. I don't want to mess nothing up. I'm a little clumsy. Sometimes I'm prone to do stuff like that, but ooh, look how pretty. It's so pretty. I feel like it's perfect for my little growing studio. You know what I'm saying? I love the silver. It just looks like it's just very well made. Okay. So you got the input in the front. You got inputs in the back. Okay. So yeah, I feel like I went with this instead of the bigger one because it's like I feel like this is all I need for what I'm doing. Now maybe later in the future when I start networking with more bands and things of that nature, I'll get the one with the 4 inputs in the back, but you know, it has the 2 mic inputs in the back. It has a guitar input in the front, headphone jack. I'm gonna show more of what it looks like in the back here in a second. Just trying to get organized. This is the box. I'm not throwing it away. Some stuff you just don't throw away. And so yeah, this is the cord that I had to get. It is separate. So make sure you keep that in mind when you buying this bad boy. As much as it is, you would think it come with it, but it don't. You know what I'm saying? I'm taking off the little plastic or whatever on the big knob. The big knob. Now, I did have to learn how to use this bad boy because, you know, if you're comparing it to the one I came from, the Focusrite, the Scarlett Focusrite, it's like day and night, you know? But I feel like it's worth the price and it's worth it. I had to really study and see why this is like double the amount of the Focusrite. And I learned real quick why. So now I got my Neumann mic, baby. So yeah, excuse me. Now I feel like this is an investment and it's going to come in handy when I decide to record people again. That's something I used to do full time for years. I just got burnt out. I just got burnt out recording people. Well, really just rappers. So if I might record people again, just switch it up. I don't really want to work with rappers like that. That's another story in another video. But engineer friends who I know, they can charge a little more in their studio because they have a Neumann mic, okay, where it's not picking up on all the sound around, you know, it's just picking up on what's in front of you. I've always wanted a Neumann mic since the beginning of my recording journey, which was in the mid 2000s, like when I first went to music school, music tech, and we was learning about mics. I always wanted a Neumann, and now I got it. It took all this time, but baby, I'm here. I'm in there, like swimwear. I got my Neumann, baby. Okay, so look at this bad boy. I just wanna take a moment to admire it real quick. Just it look all professional and stuff, just in the box. It already looked professional. It just looked like I'm supposed to be doing stuff with it. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to be taking everything to the next level. My sound. It's supposed to be taking my sound up there. You know? And this wooden box is just that added touch. You know what I'm saying? Wait, hold on. I'm about to take this bad boy out. Hold on one second. Look at this box. It's just looks like something that's very special in there. Like that you will just have to have this and keep this and, you know, cherish this thing because look how it's made. So this is what it comes with. I'm trying to set up this bad boy right now. So I'm a little struggling with it a little bit. I'm going to speed this up and come back here in a minute, okay?
Buzz. In the street. You and me. We used to be. 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 We used to be. You and me. We used to be. You and me. We used to be. You and me.
All right, so now I have everything set up, the mic and the interface. Excuse my bonnet flow, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just doing a little quick mic check to see how everything sounds through the mic into the interface and out the monitors. Okay, so I'm going to come back and let you hear what I recorded with music and without, so you can hear the straight, clean vocals. And see how it sounds. Just a little quick mic test. Mic check, mic check. Hold on. Okay.
Buzz. In the street. You and me.
Yeah.
Used to be. You and me.
Uh-huh.
Used to be. You and me.
Yeah.
Used to be.
Uh.
You and me.
These bitches stole my energy, acting like a friend of me. Whole time they a friend of me. Spirit said just let them be, keep my business to myself. Think they always got the tea, I'm better off by myself. All the men that let me down, they never tried to lift me up. Family be talking shit, at this point I had enough. They don't see I be trying to build a legacy. But they keep me when I'm down and none of them be helping me. Baby daddy lied on me, I know he'll never stop. Got bitches watching like cops on my TikTok. Why the fuck you all up in my business? Built it from the ground up, now you want me finished. Got it out the mud and I won't forget to mention that I be smoking bud to ease the tension. Yeah, yeah, I be like, this is what I'm going through. Then I pray to God, I need you come through. This is what I'm going through. Then I pray to God, I need you to come through. Come through. Come through. Yeah. These bitches stole my energy, acting like a friend of me. Whole time they a friend of me. Spirit said just let them be, keep my business to myself. Think they always got the tea, I'm better off by myself. All the men that let me down, they never tried to lift me up. Family be talking shit, at this point I had enough. They don't see I be trying to build a legacy. But they keep me when I'm down and none of them be helping me. Baby daddy lied on me, I know he'll never stop. Got bitches watching like cops on my TikTok. Why the fuck you all up in my business? Build it from the ground up, now you want me finished. Got it out the mud and I won't forget to mention that I be smoking bud to ease the tension. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be like, this is what I'm going through. Then I pray to God, I need you come through. This is what I'm going through. Then I pray to God, I need you to come through. Come through. Come through. I think the raw vocal sounds amazing, very crisp, very clear. It sounds like I'm not going to have to do too much when it comes to the mixing. I like how it sounds. You guys let me know what you think. What is your setup? What do you prefer? And things of that nature. Please follow, subscribe for more unboxings and recordings, studio beats, and things of that nature. Until next time.
Yes, Yanni, she doing it. Yanni.
Look what you've done. Look what you've done.